Good morning. Your car sometimes is hard to get in gears. It's a bit stiff. You have to force a little bit. Well, let me show you one of the cause. You are right now on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. The problem can be caused by the gearbox itself, but usually the problem is much simpler than that. It's usually the bushing that we have to replace, and that's it, it's done. So I will show you where to look and how to change them. To know what's going on, we'll place the car on ramps like this. If you don't have that, you can use a jack and lift one side of the car. Okay, then we're gonna go on, under, and I will show you exactly what to look for. At the same time, I would like to remind you that if you want to help the channel and give a donation, you can do so. This helps me buy parts and then make new videos that in turn help you guys. Okay, it's totally up to you. Look at the description of the video and you will see the link. Okay, so let's go under the car now. We are now under the car. Here you got the gearbox. We follow towards the rear of the car, and you see here we've got the linkage. Okay, you see this? It's loose, absolutely loose. Inside you should have a bushing. Here, same thing. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove that clip and we're gonna insert the bushing. This is the part we're going to be using. Okay, we're going to place this because mine is not existent, and for this we're going to remove this. To remove this, very easy, we take a flat screwdriver, we place it inside, we open it and we slide it. It will come right off. Okay, now to place this, very easy, we just slide it in. It will go with a bit of force, but it will go in. Okay, as usual, I will give you the part number, and you will see that it starts with a 210. And you may think, oh, no, that's not the right part because it should start with a 123. Now you need to know that the parts over the years are being updated. So yes, there's a part that starts with a 123, but it's now obsolete and is being replaced by this one. But it fits perfectly, so there's no problem whatsoever. You go to your dealership and it costs next to nothing. I think €1 or something like that. Okay, so let's now fit it and the job will be done. To mount them, I've placed a little bit of grease either on the axle or on the ring itself to facilitate the entry. And once fitted, you will notice that the gears goes very nicely. It's much more stiffer than before. Before it was kind of loose. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.